Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to use ChatGPT for customer service. So one of the things we can do is ask ChatGPT to write reply for customers who left complaints. So write a reply for a customer who left a complaint due to late delivery. As you can see, it wrote a very good response. It apologized for the inconvenience. It says that I'm going to investigate further. It says that I'm going to take every measure to ensure timely delivery in the future, that we appreciate the patience and understanding in this matter, and we also are grateful for bringing this to our attention. So it's a very good response. But remember, we cannot just copy and paste this and send it to the customer. We always need to read first and make sure that the information that is there is actually current. So use this only to get ideas, not to get the final message that you're going to deliver to the customer. So now that we're talking about customers, another thing we could do is ask for ideas to wow them. So another thing to take into consideration is that we are not providing much information, so the responses are going to be very vague. If we wanted to write some very specific instructions for us, we need to provide more information to ChatGPT. Another thing we could do with ChatGPT is ask it to write emails for us. So I'm asking ChatGPT to write an email to inform clients about an upgrade on our platform that will be done the next weekend, and the e-commerce site will be down. Since it's an email, it even gave us the subject. Again, we have not provided much information to ChatGPT, so most of the responses are going to be general. If we want better responses, we need to give ChatGPT more information. So now, let's say that we want just craft offers to increase and widen my client base. So it's recommending a special introductory offer, free trials or samples, bundle packages, limited time offers, loyalty programs, partner offers, and personalized offers. Now let's ask ChatGPT for a response on a review that a customer left on our application in the App Store. Something important to notice is that most of ChatGPT answers are going to be long. So what if we want this to be short? We could just ask that. Please like this video if you find it helpful, and remember to subscribe if you want to keep on watching these tutorials.